Celery is a vegetable with a long, thin, whitish or pale green stem that can be eaten cooked or uncooked. A cultivated plant of a parsley family. It is also eaten raw in a salad. This plant is also delicious for cooking food, but celery is one of the best food to normalize blood pressure because it dilates the blood vessels in the same way as we do the most effective drugs. This vegetable does not have side effects. This plant is a solution to male who have problem in erection and to a female lack of libido. It's really more effective than Viagra. It is the most exciting plant in this world, contains a lot of vitamin E. Celery is a sexual enhancer. Celery contains arginine, which is natural amino acid, which act on the dilation of blood vessels. In same way of Viagra for male, it contains active ingredient that makes the clitoris irrigate and the female genital more receptive. The soft smell of both natural chemical act like a male pheromone. That is, it makes that man attract the same opposite sex. Vitamin C on celery also increase libido. Health benefits of celery: relieve arthritis, lower blood pressure, anti-cancer, assist with migraine, maintains healthy brain, calm nerves, prevent calcium deposit, rights kidney gallstone. Now we already know the health benefits of celery. We will make celery juice. Celery juice: 1 cup sliced celery, 1 lemon, 1 glass of water. Celery juice is a powerful source against sexual impotence. We could say that it is a natural Viagra. Simply wait at least 15 minutes after drinking your celery juice before consuming anything else. First thing in the morning before, then the second best option is to drink it 15 to 30 minutes before or after eating anything during a day. Ito na po ang ating celery juice. Ayan. Sarap. Herbal na herbal. So ayan, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, pindutin ang subscribe at notification bell para maging updated pa kayo sa mga susunod na mga tutorial videos ko. Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, I'm Jelson TV and I'm signing out.